Good morning, P. E for peanut.
And today we are here at the Caleruega Church here in Tagaytay. As you can see, it's very nice and very solemn feeling ng church. It's very popular for people who wants to get married. Actually, yung size niya is a very small chapel lang, but it's really nice. It has so many air conditioning units inside, and I could totally see why people like to get married. Say hi to the vlog, River. So this is River, and we are also we're gonna show you the area around the church as well. Yung garden niya, so pretty. So guys, dito kami we're walking around the area of the Caleruega Church. It's very nice. Medyo mainit lang ngayon. It's 12 noon nang pagdating namin dito. And we are gonna walk around the area. Ang daming mga retreat houses na parang bahay made of stones. We're there. We're there. Nakakatuwa. Mga bahay na bato. And dito may view ng mountain. So pretty. Let's see. Ayan. Wow. Merong mga statue. And this one is the beautiful view of the mountains. You can see. Ayan. Ganda. Actually, pag enter mo after the parking sa entrance, merong bayad na 30 pesos na maintenance fee. And then, parang merong about 100 steps going up to see the church. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. So, doable naman siya. Ganda. Very quiet and nice space. It's a must stop if you are into churches. You know, visiting churches. It's one of the most unique church na encounter ko. Kasi, aside from the church, yung church, napaka-small niya lang. And malaki lang siya tingnan sa pictures. Pero sa loob, maliit lang siya. Parang siyang actually chapel. And it's fully air-conditioned. Ang ganda ng glass stain design nila sa loob. And all around the church, itong mga houses na to, parang village. Para kang nasa isang maliit na village. Ayun, ganda ng mga plants. Yung mga plants na tumutubo sa malalamig na lugar. Like this one. I used to make Christmas tree out of these leaves nung elementary. I remember making Christmas tree out of those leaves, Dad. Oo. May contest pa yun sa class namin eh. Sino yung pinakamagaling. Tapos may mga pine trees. Iniwan na tayo ng yaya natin. Hindi ko na siya makita. Ren? Ah. Kala ko nawala ka na. Ganda, guys. It's also a very nice place for a photo shoot if you're doing your wedding here. Ganda. So close to nature. So ayun, that's our Caleruega stop for this trip. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe on this channel, and I will see you guys later on the next video. Bye.